Abaka abavuga gavumenti mu kikolwa ng'olukulu bazize olutwala lwa Palamenti olw'olwaleero wabula kino tekiremeseza Palamenti kugenda maaso n'olukangaga nga bwe lwabadde lutegekeddwa omuli n'okwanja mbago agatali gamu omuli eryo erikwata ku kittavu ky'ensimbi erya NSSF awamu n'erikwata ku bapangisa ne bannanyi bizimbe n'ambaga amalala. Wabula mu kusooka omukubiriza w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu Jacob Olanya ategeeza abakiise nga bwe beevumbye akafubo n'akulira oludda olw'abala gavumenti mu Palamenti Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba ne nampala wa gavumenti okulaba nga bakuba ttooki mu ebyo byabaddewo olunaku olwajjo. Anategeeza ensonga ze batunuulidde zibadde zikwata ku Byabaka Allan Ssewanya awamu n'omubaka Ssegirinya.
Agreements about how we handle the situation, which is a difficult situation, and we had agreed we would all be here. But just before I came, I received a phone call from the leader of the opposition indicating that he was not able to talk to his members, so he's bound by respecting the views of the members who had not consulted, and they took a decision that they were not yet satisfied, so they will not be coming to the house. I say I respected that, but I also told him, please be in a place where you can monitor, so that if the beginning, and now we discuss this thing and how it has been handled so far, is satisfactory to you, then you can join the house later.
Ono akoonyeeko ne ku ky'okumanyisibwa ng'ababaka bano tebannabakwatibwa omulundi ogwokubiri.
Informed by the Deputy Speaker that actually she had received the summonses from the police indicating that the Honourable Ssegirinya MP, Member of Parliament for Kawempe North, and the Honourable Ssewanya Allan, Member of Parliament for Makindye West, were required. The details are here, signed by one Paulo Kato Tumuimbise for Director of Criminal Investigations. Had this been brought to my attention early, would have not insisted too much on respect of the office of the Speaker in the process of handling members of Parliament.
Yombaka Theodore Ssekikubo alaze obutali bumativu ku ngeri gavumenti yeeyisa olugaayo mu Palamenti ku babaka era n'asabye ne minisita avunaanyizibwa ku by'okwerinda okwetondera Palamenti. Minisita naye kyakoze.
Member to appear before police and be able to answer questions that you may want a member to answer. I'm not saying that members of Parliament are above the law. That is not my position. All I'm saying is that why aren't you following the due process, the due procedures? And as we sit here, one of us, Ssegirinya, you are now realizing that his health deteriorated in the course of your arrest. Why are you putting the risk of the lives of members of Parliament of a matter that you would have handled in a civilized manner?
They were even not why. And if it was wrong, apologize to us. That's what he was saying.
Transmission, sir, I think delayed, and I want to apologize for that, and we move on right on the speaker.
Minisita w'ebyokwerinda munnamagye David Muhoozi alambuludde ku ngeri ensonga zonna gye zaakwatibwamu okutuusa essaawa eno nga aggyeeko eky'okutwala ababaka mu kkooti.
September 2021. They got bail on 20th September 2021. However, in the course of the investigations, fresh information arose that warranted their rearrest, which was effected on 23rd September 2021 and 27th September 2021, respectively. Criminal summons in this respect were indeed issued to the Office of the Speaker as procedure demands. They were held at Kireka until today, when they've been transferred to Masaka for production in court.
Mu mbeera y'emu asuubiza nga ababaka bano bwe bajja okukwatibwa ng'amateeka bwe galagira.
We shall exert our energies to ensure that all people, irrespective of their station in life, get just and equal treatment before the law through a speedy and fair trial process. That is the only way that the interests of and concerns of both the victims of crime, for whom the state is enjoined to legally revenge, and the alleged offenders can be assuaged through due process.
Ensonga ekwata ku by'obulamu by'omubaka Ssegirinya nayo terekeddwa mabega.
We'll arrange with the Honourable Ssegirinya private doctor that the parliamentary ambulance can go and pick the Honourable Ssegirinya and his doctor, and they take them for the evaluation so that his condition can be, if he's not too well, it can be stabilized. But whatever it is, they'll see how to medically intervene in case he's actually not feeling very, very well.
Police, Right Honorable Speaker, is in touch with their lawyers who have been allowed access to their clients. The medical concerns of the Honorable Ssegirinya were also raised by your good self, and arrangements to allow him to be accessed by his doctors have been put in place.
Wabula n'ensonga ey'okuyisa olugaayo mu Paalamenti nayo ekooneddwako omukubiza w'ekikolo ggwanga olukulu Jacob Olanya.
They come straight to police and record statement. If there's need for detention, now that follows from there. Outside the cameras, outside the public thing, the way this one was handled, General Moazi, was not right. It wasn't. I have seen the video clips. It was not right. It was not right. So these are things you need to change as we go along, so that respect is given to each of the citizens of this country and they're treated fairly within the law. I watched the clip. I was very, very upset, but because it shouldn't be happening. I'm not saying members of parliament are special, but they are members of parliament anyway. So to that extent, they are special, because we only have 529 of us. There's no other outside this. So we're a special group of 529 people, including the speaker.
Omubaka Esther Mbayo naye ategeeza Paalamenti nga bwe yeetaagibwa, wabula ng'akadde ke baamuyitirako yali bweru wa ggwanga, naye ate nga baali tebagobedde mateeka nga bwe galambikiddwa.
To go and make a statement, but through the Speaker of Parliament. When I came to you, Right Honourable Speaker, you told me that the process of summoning a member of Parliament should be respected and it's still in place. So my question is, do we have people in this country that respect the rule of law? Really, members of Parliament should be respected, Right Honourable Speaker.
Ababaka Ssegirinya ne Allan Ssewanya basimbiddwa mu kkooti e Masaka era ne baggulwako emisango emirala egyekuusa ku bijambiya. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.